secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 Baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room, I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya. And I've seen your flag on the marble arch. And love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew you.
Well, it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's seen the light.